के मनीषा या शैक्षणिक यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत.
Hello friends, Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and Transversal by Manisha Sangameshwar Kalshetty, MSc B.Ed. Learn with fun. Welcome in Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and Transversal, समांतर रेषा आणि छेदिका. Let's recall. What is mean by parallel lines? The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called as parallel line. Simple definition: there is no intersection point. They do not intersect each other but lies in the same plane. And this can be written as line L parallel to line M. Let's learn transversal. What is mean by transversal? In the adjoining figure, line L, this one line L, intersect the line M and line N in two distinct points. Line L is a transversal of line M and line N. Okay, this line L intersect M at A, N at B. Therefore, these two are two distinct point, different points. Therefore, definition of transversal is if a line intersects given two lines M and N in how many points? 2 points, but points are distinct, not same. Then that line is called transversal of those two lines. Isn't it? Okay. Then angle made by transversal. How many angles made by transversal? This is the transversal AT and these two lines PQ and RS. It cuts in two different points M and N. Therefore, there are 8 angles here at M, 4 angles, here N, 4 angles, and these 8 angles are grouped in various types of angle, pairs of angle. Let's learn. Angle made by transversal. First type is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, let's. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction. बघूया आता आपण दिस इज अ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल आहे आणि AMP याची डिरेक्शन इकडे आहे तर MNR ची पण डिरेक्शन याच साईडला आहे इजंट इट. हा अँगल घेतला तर याची डिरेक्शन इकडे आहे याची पण इकडे आहे म्हणजे हा आणि हा सेम डिरेक्शन वाले ती पेयर आहे त्याला नाव आहे करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल मीन्स AMP and हा कट करायचा आहे MNR. These two angles are corresponding angle. मग आपण शोधूया सेम डिरेक्शन वाले कोणकोणते आहेत या ट्रान्सफरच्या एकाच बाजूला अगोदर बघूया लेफ्ट हँड साईडला. आता आहे PMN, direction is at this side. RNT also this side direction. Therefore, this pair PMN and angle RNT are called as the corresponding angle. Then how many pair? This one pair, this second pair at the LHS side, same as RHS side. Same direction. AMQ, the direction of angle is here. Again M and S, third pair. Next fourth pair is QM and S and T. These are the corresponding angles. How many angles? How many pairs of corresponding angle? 4 pairs. Okay. संगत कोणाच्या किती जोड्या आहेत? 4 जोड्या आहेत. इंटेरियर अँगल मराठीत त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? आंतरकोन. What is the definition? A pair of angle which are on the same side ऑफ दी ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. ऑफ दी ट्रान्सव्हर्सल सेम साईडला आहेत, पण कुठे आहेत बघा, अँड इनसाइड द गिव्हन लाईन्स. सेम साईडला म्हणजे हा पण आहे, दिस वन आहे, दिस वन आहे, अँड दिस वन. देर आर 4. बट इनसाइड द गिव्हन लाईन्समध्ये 2 अँगल्स आहेत बघा, PMN and MNR. These are the interior angle at LHS side and same at RHS side. At other side QM and S and M. हे कुठे आहेत? दिलेल्या 2 लाईनच्या मध्येच आहेत आणि छेदिकेच्या एकाच बाजूस आहेत. इकडच्या बाजूला डाव्या बाजूला आणि उजव्या बाजूला छेदिकेच्या एकाच अंगास असणाऱ्या 2 कोनांना काय म्हणतात? इंटेरियर अँगल्स म्हणजेच अंतरकोन म्हणतात. Isn't it? And now third type is, here corresponding angles and interior angles are shown in figure. This one figure, and then third alternate angle we will study. Okay, now you see figure, pairs of corresponding angles. How many pairs? 4 pairs. Okay, see here, AMP, red mark is here. Then pair of this is MNR, first pair. Second pair PMN and RNT, second pair, same direction. Third pair AMQ and MNS. Okay, last pair is QMN and S and T. Now pairs of interior angles in the given figure. There are 2 pairs. Okay, in this figure, observe carefully. I mark here by blue color. Okay, angle PMN and angle MNR ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एकाच बाजूला असणारे, डाव्या बाजूला. आता उजव्या बाजूचे बघूया आपण. QMN and MNS. I mark is the which color? Purple color. Okay, these are the 4 pairs of corresponding angle, 2 pairs of interior angles. Next, third part, alternate angles. Alternate angles म्हणजे व्युत्क्रम कोण, हा लक्षात ठेवताना नेहमी झेड आकार लक्षात ठेवायचा. झेड, सरळ झेड आणि उलटा झेड. Alternate angle, pair of the angle which are on the opposite sides of transversal. हे मात्र बरोबर इंटेरियरच्या उलटे आहेत, छेदिकेच्या विरुद्ध बाजूस असतात. एक इकडे असतो तर दुसरा दुसऱ्या बाजूला असतो. In the figure there are 2 pairs of interior alternate angle and 2 pair of exterior. इथं मात्र 2 टाइप आहेत. एक गिव्हन लाईनच्या मध्ये असतात, त्यांना म्हणतात इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल, आणि दुसरा टाइप आहे एक्सटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल. इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल्स अँड एक्सटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल्स. I mark here by the yellow color. Okay, PMN and MNS. These are interior alternate angle, first pair. QMN and MNR by red color. These are the interior angle, alternate angles. Interior alternate angle. This Z and this also figure of Z, isn't it? This is the interior. Interior कसे लक्षात ठेवायचे? Angles at the inner sides of the line. Okay. Now second type, exterior alternate angles. Angles at the outer side of the lines. Exterior alternate angles, angles at the outer side of the lines. This is the outer side. This one AMP and pair of AMP is the TNS by black color. And second pair, this is the outer side, this one is outer side, AMQ and RNT. These are the alternate angle. Exterior, alternate angle. Exterior, exterior, 2 pair. Interior, interior, 2 pairs. Okay. How many types? First type, corresponding angle. Second type, interior angle. Third type, alternate angles. There are 2 types. Subtype, interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angles. Okay. Now we have to solve the practice set number 2.1. Practice set 2.1. Observe this figure and tell me the, fill in the blanks, tell me the corresponding angles. Angle P, angle P चा corresponding angle सांगायचे मला. कोणता असेल? P, same direction मध्ये कोण आहे? Angle W. Good. Therefore, first corresponding angle P and W. Good. Then second, angle Q, angle R. Second answer is, angle X. Good. Third one, angle R चा आहे corresponding angle, angle Y. And angle S, S चा corresponding angle आहे angle Z. Good. These are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now interior alternate angles, not only interior, alternate angles are situated at opposite sides. Okay. Then angle S and angle X. Good. The answer is angle X. Now angle W, here is the in opposite direction, angle R. Good. Therefore, this is the interior alternate angle 2 pairs. All answers are correct. Now, second sum. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angle. Here, these 2 lines, given lines, and this is the transversal. Only angles are given, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, isn't it? 8 angles are. Interior alternate angles. Tell me the interior alternate angles. Pairs lecture. First pair, interior alternate angles are in the opposite sides of transversal in the given line. First answer is angle B, angle C ची pair आहे angle E. Angle C and angle E. Correct. Then angle B, angle B ची pair कोणती आहे? Good. Angle H. Next one, corresponding angle. There are 4 pairs. Angle D. Angle D, C कट करायचा आहे आणि कोणता घ्यायचा आहे? H. Okay. त्यामुळे काय येईल उत्तर? Angle H, first pair of corresponding angle. Good. Next, angle A. A चा corresponding angle आहे angle E. This one is also correct. Third one, B. B चा corresponding angle कसा शोधायचा? त्याच्या पुढचा E जो आहे तो कट करायचा आणि पुढचा घ्यायचा आहे F. B ची पेयर आहे F. And last pair is angle C. C चा corresponding angle आहे हा H काढून टाकायचा आहे. नंतर कोणता घ्यायचा आहे? G. Therefore angle G is the corresponding angle of C. 4 pairs. Now third, interior angles, not alternate. Read question carefully. Interior angles and interior alternate angle. Interior angles are same side of the given lines. Okay, at LHS and here is upper side and lower side. Third one. Then what is the angle C? Interior angle of C is the angle H. Same side, not on opposite side. Angle H. Good. And then angle B चा interior angle कोण असेल? Angle E. This lies on the same side of the transversal, isn't it? Good. All pairs, all answers given by you are correct. Do the homework. Solve the practice set 2.1. Thanks for watching. Solve practice set 2.1 in your homework book. Till then, thank you. See you.
Please like, subscribe and share and press red bell icon and receive notification of next lecture.